If you want to create stunning designs, edit videos, or make professional-looking graphics directly from your Android phone, Canva is one of the best apps you can use. In this guide, I will show you the simple steps to install Canva on your Android device in 2026. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or inside your app drawer. Once you open it, tap on the search bar at the top and type Canva. Then press the search button to see the results. Now, find the official Canva application from the search results. Make sure the app name is Canva AI Photo and Video Editor and that it is developed by Canva. Check the app logo carefully. It should have the familiar purple and blue gradient design. This helps you avoid downloading fake or unofficial apps. After confirming the correct app, tap the Install button. The download process will start automatically. Wait a few moments while your phone downloads and installs Canva. The installation time depends on your internet speed and device performance. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Canva for the first time. You can also find the Canva icon on your home screen or app menu. To start using Canva, sign in with your preferred account. You can use your Google, Facebook, email, or Apple account. Logging in allows you to save your projects, access previous designs, and use Canva's creative tools across devices. That's it! Canva is now successfully installed on your Android phone. You can start designing posters, editing videos, creating social media posts, and much more with just a few taps.